Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Using Apple Notes on a Mac is a straightforward and effective way to keep track of ideas, tasks, and important informations. So today we are here with a practical guide on how to use Apple Notes effectively. So let's get started. Firstly, you can create a link on an Apple Notes. Open Apple Note on a Mac and create a new note or open an existing one where you want to insert the link. Now simply go to the any web browser and look for the link you want to copy and paste to your note. Now all you have to do is type or paste the URL web address and you want to link into directly into the note and it will be saved into your note. Now, the other one is the Quick Note. The Quick Note feature in macOS allows you to quickly jot down notes from any apps or website. You can simply highlight the sentences you want to keep it in the note and tap on it, and you can see create a quick note option available there and simply tap on it again and it will be saved on your notes app. Now, the other best feature is saving video in Notes. You can simply locate the video file on a Mac or video on a website that you want to save and drag and drop it to the Notes, and it will quickly be saved. You can also play it and watch the video in Notes. You can also watch presentations or view slides in Apple Notes on Mac. All you have to do is locate the presentation file and open the Notes app and create a new note and simply drag the presentation file from any saved documents and this file will be attached to the note. You can simply slide it and you can see the PDF version of slides. You can easily view presentation or slides in Apple Notes and you can also add a keynote presentation. Also, while the Notes app on macOS does not directly support scanning documents using the built-in camera on a Mac, you can use your iPhone or iPad to scan documents and have them automatically appear in Notes on a Mac. And thanks to the simplest integration between macOS and iOS. You can also search for the important or the any notes you want to look for by using the search bar at the top of the Notes app window. Type in keywords, phrases, or tags related to the notes you are looking for. The Note app will filter and display notes containing your search terms, including text within the notes and any tags you have used. Now, the other one is changing font size in Apple Notes. So you can simply open the note you want to change font size of and choose the font size from the toolbar of the notes. You can choose anything according to your preferences. Just highlight the text you want to change and click on the toolbar and change its style. Choose a style like title, heading, subheading, or body. These styles come with present font size. Now, other most used thing in Note app is creating a checklist. Simply open the notes and add a checklist. Click the checklist button in the toolbar, which looks like a check mark inside a circle, and the checklist item will appear with a checkbox inside to it. Type your first item and simply continue doing it. After that, you can also manage your checklist by organizing it and simply tapping on the checklist to make it look like it's already done. Now, the other best feature is locking notes in the Apple Notes. It provides an additional layer of security, ensuring that sensitive information remains private. All you have to do is select the note and right click on it. You will see a drop down menu and choose the lock the note option available from there. If you haven't set a password for your locked notes before, you'll be prompted to create one and enter a password, verify it, and add a hint if desired. You can also choose to use your Apple ID password or your MacBook password and click Set Password. The note will be locked and a padlock icon will appear next to the note in the list. Lastly, it's pinning notes. Pinning notes in the Apple Notes app on a Mac is a convenient way to keep important notes easily accessible at the top of your list. Simply select the note you want to pin from your list of notes and right click on the note you want to pin. Then select Pin Note from the drop down menu, and alternatively, you can click on the note and then click the pin button in the toolbar, which looks like a push pin as well. The note will move to the top of your notes list and will have a small pin icon next to it, indicate it is pinned. So that's it. By leveraging these features and tips, you can make Apple Notes a powerful tool for organization, productivity, and creativity on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.